have 4 things apprentices need to know about learning work. But before I go into that, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Pius John Tefa, aka PJT Fashion World. I feel it's necessary for me to share these facts and advice to any apprentice who intend to or are already learning the work already. So the number one thing you need as an apprentice is prayer. You need God's wisdom on how to do everything you need to do that day. As you go to your work, before you start anything, pray to God. You must not even allow people or let people know that you are even praying. Pray in silence. You can even be looking at people, but deep inside your mind, you are praying. Pray to God in secret, and Him who sees in secret, who sees your heart, will make things easy for you. That's number one. Number two, respect. You need to respect your boss. Respect him as if he's the one that gave birth to you. By respecting your boss, I mean, do everything he asks you to do faithfully. Don't show any sense or wayo or anything that you feel that it will make it feel as if you are trying to outsmart your boss. Do everything faithfully. Do it with all your heart. Do it as if it is your own. Respect your co-apprentice. Anybody you meet there, respect them. Those are the people, most especially the apprentice. Whenever your boss is not around, they will be the one to put you through on some of the things they know. And at times, if your co-apprentice is teaching you or explaining something to you, at times you even understand it much more better than your boss. So respect your boss, respect your senior. Your senior could be even if it is somebody you senior by age, but by work, that person senior you. So try and respect that person. Do away with pride. Pride will not take you anywhere. Do away with pride. Number 3, be humble. Be humble. Be down to earth. Even if it is somebody whom you senior by age that is talking to you, pay attention. Even if it is rubbish they are telling you, listen to that person. From that rubbish or that nonsense they are telling you, you could deduce sense from it. And don't be too big to ask questions even to your co-apprentice. Anything you do not understand, ask questions. Don't claim you know everything. Nobody is an island. No matter what you think you know outside, but coming to that place you are learning work, there are people who knows it better than you. Try and ask questions. And always be humble to hear any explanation that is being given to you. If your boss send you somewhere, go the message happily, without grudges. Behave as if you don't know what you are doing. In fact, behave as if you are a FOOL. You know that that condition is not permanent. You are not going to stay there forever. By the time you decide to follow your boss faithfully and do everything with all your heart, as if you don't know what you are doing, God, who sees your action and your heart, will reward you. Remember, your boss can only teach you, but God will give you the wisdom you need to understand that which your boss is teaching you. Lastly, perseverance. Don't give up easily on things you feel they are hard for you to learn. Those things you feel they are hard for you to learn, believe you me, they are not hard. They are very simple. It's just a matter of mindset. If you set your mind that this particular thing, I will know it, believe you me, you will know it within a twinkle of an eye. Honestly, tailoring is not hard at all. It's very, very simple. But it has to do with your mindset. By the time you have that mindset that this thing is very hard, this thing is very hard, you have failed already. By the time you feel this thing is very hard, this thing is very hard, it will be difficult for you to understand. When your boss give you work to do, you'll be trying to maneuver and do it the other way that will not be hard for you. If you say, lose this thing and do it this other way, you feel, this thing is very hard. Oh, what if we leave it like that? You start looking for ways to cover that thing you're supposed to know. By the time you fail to take that correction your boss is giving you, believe you me, going forward, tailoring will be very hard for you. Anything you feel is very hard for you, try and put your mind there. Say to yourself that this particular thing, I must do it. Because people that are doing it, they don't have two heads. They are people like me. So I can even do it much more better than them. So continue to persevere. Whenever you feel that something is very hard for you, don't give up. Don't give up. It's something that is very, very simple. By the time you continue that way, believe you me, you'll be a great fashion designer of your time. Matter of time, one day you too will be a boss. Believe you me, it's just a matter of time. One day all those things will be over. One day you'll be the one telling this story. And one day you are going to be a boss of your own. And by so doing, you can be able to teach your apprentice in a way they will understand. So in case if you find this video helpful, you can just give this video a thumbs up and do well to subscribe to my channel, because I just started this channel now. Subsequently, I'll be dropping my sewing tutorial on this channel. So do well to subscribe so that you not miss out when I drop a video.